What is up, guys? This is GFX Productions here, and in this tutorial we're going to be talking about how to render out our animation and going to transfer it over to After Effects. So as you can see here in this project, it is the Decepticon intro that I made about a couple months ago. If you haven't seen it, it looks like this. And that's what we are going to be rendering out. So rendering out is one of the easier processes to do. Easier process. Is that even grammatically correct? I don't know. Alright, so this is what we got here. I don't know why that is 960. That should actually be 1280 or 720p HD. But yeah, so got our ambient occlusion, object glow, color correction, which there's just things I added in there for the heck of it. But what you're going to do is you want to hit save, and you want to hit the little three dots right there, and something's going to come up eventually, and there we are. What I like to do is I like to go ahead and create a new folder. So new folder, and we'll just call this Decepticon. And yeah, why not? Just keep it like that. Hit save. And we're going to run this out in PNG sequences, so that way, in case if something goes horribly wrong while you're rendering, all you have to do is just check back to see what frame was last rendered and then continue from there. It's very, very important that you do that, so that way you don't like throw your laptop out of a window or something, or your computer for that matter. And let's see, since we're rendering everything out right here, we're not going to check alpha channel because we're rendering out everything in our scene. So we make sure that everything is looking good here. You can play with this, set to best if you want. It's just going to take longer to render out, but hey, that's up to you. And you can do global illumination if you want. I don't think I set up anything for it. I think I just have lights right here to light it up. And then all you have to do is just hit the render button, in which that's going to start rendering out, as you can see right here. And once that finishes, all you have to do is just take your PNG sequences and just import them into After Effects, in which I think I have a, let's see, do I got something right here? LGB, yes I do. Alright, so after you render that out, you're going to go into After Effects, and hopefully this one doesn't cop out on me like how it has been for the last 20 times I started it up. Alrighty, we're here in After Effects, and what we're going to do is start a new composition. And don't worry about this for the moment, we can always go back and change that. Make sure that this right here is the same settings as what you rendered out from Cinema 4D. You're gonna hit OK. Drag your composition down to right there. Why am I talking like that? Alright, and we're gonna go to File, we're gonna go to Import, and File. And now we are going to find where we had rendered out our PNG sequences, or where at least you rendered them out. So, and this is a tutorial anyway. Whoa, what's going on here? Okay. Now, although I'm not using the Decepticon PNGs, I'm using something different, but the same concept would apply after you render out the Decepticon intro in PNG format. And you'll see what you got here is you got all these PNG files, and all you have to do is just click on the very first one and just hit open. And just drag it down. And there you go. Here's your whole entire animation right there. Alrighty, well, I have been GFX Productions, and I hope that you enjoyed and learned something out of this video, and I shall see you in the next tutorial. Alright, take care, guys.